In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up registration for Zoom meetings in this 2026 full guide. To get started, open the Zoom website in your browser and sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, the first thing you'll do is schedule a new meeting. Click Schedule, then enter the main meeting details carefully. This includes your meeting title, the date and time, the duration, and the correct time zone. It's worth double checking these settings now because your registration page will reflect this information for attendees. Next, scroll down until you find the registration section. Here, turn on the registration required option. This is the setting that makes attendees sign up before they can receive access to the meeting. If Zoom asks you to choose a registration type, you'll typically see two options. Automatic approval means people receive the meeting link as soon as they complete the registration form. Manual approval means you review each registration first and only approved attendees get the join link. Choose the option that best matches how much control you want over attendance. After that, click Save to create the meeting with registration enabled. Once the meeting is saved, open the scheduled meeting so you can customize the registration experience. Go to the Registration tab, then click Edit next to the registration settings. This is where you can tailor the form to collect the information you need. You can add required fields, include custom questions, and if the option is available in your account, upload a banner image to make the registration page look more polished and professional. When you're done, save your changes. Now that the form is ready, copy the registration link and share it with your attendees. You can send it through email, post it on social media, place it on your website, or share it in messaging apps. Keep in mind that attendees must complete the registration form before they'll receive their meeting join link, so always share the registration link rather than the direct meeting access details. Before the meeting begins, you can also manage registrations from the meeting page. You'll be able to view the list of registrants, approve or deny requests if you selected manual approval, and export the registration list for follow-up or record keeping. This can be especially helpful for webinars, client sessions, training events, or any meeting where attendance tracking matters. Finally, when it's time for the event, start your Zoom meeting as usual. Depending on your settings, only registered attendees with valid join links will be able to join. And that's how to set up registration for Zoom meetings from start to finish.